Good morning once again.
Morning.
Thank you. I'm standing here. My name is Nesia Mahenge. I'm the Country Director for CBM International, based in Tanzania. For the interest of time, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our guest of honor, Dr. Pindi Chana, Minister of Constitutional Affairs and Legal Affairs, and also the chairperson. And thank you very much, Mr. Onesmo, for the invitation. It is both a privilege for me to be here today as we are reflecting on the 25 years of the UN Declaration on Human Rights Defenders. And specifically, I'm here to speak about the persons with disabilities and the inclusion for them when it comes to justice. The declaration has served as a guiding document, significant one, in our collective pursuit of justice and also equality, and it reminds us of the importance of upholding the fundamental rights and freedom of all people, and the need to protect those who dedicate their lives to ensure that these rights are upheld. As we are reflecting this important declaration today, may we also reflect on the protection of marginalized groups, such as human rights defenders with disabilities and all persons with disabilities across the globe. Let's not forget about human rights defenders with disabilities. It is imperative that we continue to advocate for the implementation and enforcement of laws that protect human rights defenders and create an enabling environment for their work to ensure no one is left behind. The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, also known as UNCRPD, intended to protect the rights and dignity of persons with disabilities. It requires us to protect, promote, and ensure full enjoyment of human rights by persons with disabilities, and also enjoy full equality under the law. As we all know, Article 5 of the UNCRPD reaffirms that people with disabilities are entitled to the equal protection and equal benefit of the law. Also, we can recall Article number 12, which commits to ensuring that people with disabilities can exercise legal capacity in all aspects of their life and receive appropriate support to do this if required. Yesterday, I had a privileged opportunity to have a THRDC dinner where I was sitting next to my brother, Robert from Uganda. And he asked me a simple question when it comes to disability inclusion. He said, Nesia, what do you do when it comes to criminal justice in terms of access to disability and support and services that can be provided to persons with disabilities? We talked about many issues, and some of them are people with disabilities are too often overlooked or forgotten when they get involved in criminal justice system as victims or as suspects and defendants. They face fear, prejudice, and lack of understanding of all resources when they do become entangled in the system. Justice professionals may lack experience and accurate knowledge about disability inclusion, leading to misidentification of disability and also disability type, a heightened risk of false confession, inaccurate assumptions, and about competence and credibility when it comes to providing services to persons with disabilities. Individuals with disabilities are valuable and they have the right to access justice. They should not experience discrimination or mistreatment in any justice system. They should also have meaningful access to criminal justice services and programs. In concluding, government, civil society, and international organizations must collaborate to ensure the safety and well-being of defenders, allowing them to carry out their vital work without fear, or also ensuring that no one is left behind. I am calling and humbly calling for all human rights defenders, including interventions that build an inclusive society as part of human rights diversity, to ensure that all development activities provide benefit for all. And when we mean benefit for all, we mean all, by leaving no one behind. In conclusion, let us renew our commitment to the principles in the UNCRPD and also UN Declaration on Human Rights Defenders, and pledge our unwavering support to the brave individuals who dedicate their lives to uphold
Okay, thank you.